The innovative Four Seasons refuse sacks are our new concept for keeping the house tidy. They are the most durable, ergonomic and eco-friendly refuse sacks on the market, manufactured completely from the material which had been acquired via recycling. They owe their ultra-elastic properties to the innovative Vigo technology, honeycomb embossing. We were the first in the world to introduce such innovation on the market. Using them at home guarantees us not only visual qualities or excellent flexibility, but above all it provides up to twice as much tear resistance. As a solid producer, all the products we manufacture are examined in our laboratory at routine basis by performing numerous dart drop tests. The falling grotto method allows to determine how durable the bag is during daily use. So let's compare samples of 4 60-litre bags which are most often used by the customers at their homes. The first is Vigo Premium with honeycomb embossing. A second one is 3-ply bag without embossing. Next one is PL Private Label Benchmark Quality with embossing produced by QuickPak. And finally similar refuse sack also with embossing but produced by one of our competitors. In test we used the same weights and the same height. We only changed samples of bags. The least durable bag is made of 3-ply film without embossing. PL Private Label Benchmark Quality bag with embossing produced by QuickPak and similar refuse sack also with embossing but produced by one of our competitor did much better in testing than previous one. The most durable turns out sample number 1. This test clearly confirms that Four Seasons Vigo refuse sacks are definitely the most durable products of this type on the market. Let's check what is the maximum durability of the remaining 60-litre bags. All of them are produced by QuickPak from a 3-ply film and are based on dark regranulating 100% obtained from recycling. The first one is dedicated to private labels manufactured from 3-ply film with honeycomb embossing. The second, made of the same film without embossing, a plain one. In this case, different weights of grotto will be used, 100, 70 and 60 grams. Such tests clearly show all the advantages of this innovative technology, which proves with no doubt that recycled film with honeycomb embossing gives twice the strength in comparison with plain material without embossing. This is the future in the production of refuse sacks. Vigo Four Seasons bags were created with all this in mind. In addition, instead of dark granules, we use transparent ones which make possible to produce coloured bags. As a result, an unusual look have been obtained, particular colour and fragrance for each season, but also additional functionality. This is our premium brand, which makes it undoubtedly number 1 on the market.